give you a short history of Akanu Ibiam International Airport, Enugu. This airport was commissioned in the year 1960 and was named after Dr. Akanu Ibiam, one of the Nigerian's prominent statesmen. This airport is located in Emene, Enugu's industrial zone. Now, the Akanu Ibiam International Airport is one of the Nigerian's key aviation hubs right here in the southeast of Nigeria. The airport started originally as a regional/domestic airport where it was just serving Enugu, Ebonyi State, Owerri, and Oka. In 2013, it was upgraded to International Airport with billions of naira invested in its runway expansion. This airport is now serving as a gateway for Southeast, facilitating both domestic and international flights. Now, here is where it gets interesting. The impact this airport has had on the environment where it is being located. Now, the airport doesn't just move planes, it also moves the property market. Because of this airport, it has led to businesses coming into the area where this airport is located. There's a lot of businesses around there now. There's a lot of hotels and logistics companies all located there. There are also residential estates that are also sited around the airport. Second is that it increased the value of properties around the neighborhood where this airport is located. Now, once there's an airport in a particular neighborhood, the value of property increases, businesses troop in, and investors rush to buy because they want properties that are very close to the airport, and they also understand that a lot of people passes through the airport every single day. And now here is something that you should note. Properties that are within 10 to 20 minutes away from the airport usually appreciate faster than any other property in other locations. Now, what if I present to you a property that is about 15 minutes away from the Enugu International Airport? Will you like to own it now? Now, that property is Grand Omega City Estate. This estate is positioned and located very close to the airport, about 15 minutes from the airport. And this is a beautiful part. It comes with a strong title, C of O, which makes it safe once you buy into that estate. And currently, it's selling for 5 million naira, which includes both the land and the documents you are going to get on that land. So, if you are an investor or someone looking to invest in Enugu, I recommend that you own properties that are close to the airport or around the airport. One like Grand Omega City Estate. And for now, it's still coming to you at a very affordable price of 5 million naira, where you can also make down payment of 2 million naira and spread your balance in 3 months. So if you are looking to invest, all you need to do is to pick up your phone, call or WhatsApp us on the number showing on your screen today.